All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about TSLY and why I think it will last the tail of time, why I think this option income strategy ETF, this high income strategy ETF, will outlast the tail of time and actually provide pretty amazing returns over the long period with its option income strategy. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to compare it to an ETN, another high income yielding fund, which is USOI, and tell you why I see some kind of similar resemblance between the two and why I do think it's here to stay, and those high dividend yields are also here to stay. If that sounds good to you, please do stick around to the end of this video. We're up to 370 subscribers, guys. That is amazing. That is fantastic. And our latest video, which was on TSLY, got 338 views. Clearly, you guys do want to see a bit more about TSLY. So today, I'm going to make another quick video, and I hope you guys do enjoy. This is why I think TSLY's dividend, its high dividend yield, is here to stay. So without further ado, let's get into it. So TSLY pays out a pretty high dividend yield, and going to their website here, it pays a 61% dividend yield. I'm just going to click on here so we can go a little bit further into the website. Okay, don't you guys love to see it? All those investors out there, whoever's invested in TSLY. So TSLY pays a 61% dividend. It does pay on the monthly. And as you guys all know, the Tesla Yieldmax TSLA option income strategy ETF TSLY is an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling/writing call options on Tesla. So writes and sells call options. And you know what's very similar to that? USOI. USOI is a covered call ETN. And it is, TSLY is an ETF and USOI is an ETN. ETNs rely not only on the underlying sector, which is the crude oil sector, but they also rely on Credit Suisse up here in the top left corner. TSLA, for example, TSLY is an ETF, but it does run under Tesla, meaning however Tesla performs is how TSLA is going to perform and collect those premiums. And the more volatility within TSLA, Tesla, the higher those premiums that are going to be on TSLY. But why am I bringing up USOI? What I want to do is I want to show you that USOI, relative to its history, has actually paid some pretty insane dividends. Now, these dividends, what I do want to show you are their current yield for the ETN equals the sum of the three most recent months coupons shown above multiplied by 4 to annualize such coupons, dividends by the most recent closing indicative value of the ETN. That is very important right here. Indicative value of the ETN, meaning at its current price. So USOI actually had a bunch of like stock splits and reverse stock splits and things like that. So it wasn't necessarily paying out these dividends as you see. It wasn't paying like a $2 dividend. It was maybe paying out a 5-cent dividend, but USOI's share price was hovering at $5 at the time. But what I do want to say is relative to their current share price, these were the dividends that they were paying out. And as you can see, they're pretty massive, starting at $36 per year, $50 per year, $73 per year, and it goes on. And what I do want to show you is they currently have a stock price of about $73. And so you can see like it does have a yield right now of about 38%. I am actually currently invested in USOI. And at this rate, you'd make your money back in a couple years. In TSLY, however, you'd make your money back in about a year and a half due to its massive like 62% dividend yield. And so I just wanted to show you USOI because if USOI is able to like withstand the tail of time, I totally believe that TSLY will too. And that's why I'm choosing to probably go and invest a little bit heavier into TSLY, because not only do I think it will test the tail of time and be able to stay there for a long time just because USOI did, but also because I'm long Tesla. I do believe Tesla in the long run has a pretty bright future. I personally do want a Tesla car, and I kind of like to invest in things that I want to then own. For example, I bought 3M because I love their earplugs, stuff like that. I know they had an earplug lawsuit. That is a bad example, but they were pretty good in my circumstance and what I needed them for. Bro, this is awkward. Okay, anyway, getting back into it, I do think Tesla is a long-term play, and I do think over time their stock price will appreciate. And one thing about Tesla is it's volatile too, right? So when Tesla goes way up, TSLY will also go way up. And the thing is with that, TSLY will collect massive premiums, massive dividends on that run up. But when Tesla drops, for example, like it did here because Tesla dropped, you'll notice that TSLY doesn't pay as big of a dividend, and so it takes out a lot less from its share price, which actually helps so that its share price doesn't fall too much. And then Tesla rises up and all is well once again. So that is why I do think TSLY might actually be a great long-term hold for the future if you're looking for not only income but some price appreciation, as it does follow Tesla directly. All right, so this was just a little video to kind of give you my insights about what I think about TSLY and going forward for the future. I do think it's going to be a stable fund, and I'm looking forward to investing in it and just seeing how my money grows in it as well. I'm sure you guys are. If you guys did actually like this video, please do consider subscribing. We are a growing page, as you can see. Let's get to that 400 mark, and we're pushing every day. Please do continue to watch all of our videos. You guys are doing absolutely amazing. I hope you guys did enjoy, and you guys kind of learned a little perspective of what I think or someone else who's random might think about TSLY. All right. I hope you guys did enjoy once again. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.